Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to send out codes, how to attach documents when sending them out, and how to customize the code form design. To enter any of the codes, let's go to the code page, locate the code you're working on, and click on Edit Code. In this section, make sure that all products intended to be sent out for coding are properly selected. If the customer changes their mind, you can simply uncheck the product and it won't show up on the form. If you think that all details here are correct, you may now proceed by scrolling down the code, then click Process Code or Order. This will open up a preview code confirmation page where you will be asked how you would like to proceed. Click on the drop-down menu here and choose Code. To proceed, press Continue. You will then be sent to the preview code page. As you can see, this is the cover document attached from your settings. Once you scroll down, this is where you can view the code form. The current design of your form is based on the default setup from settings. We are going to discuss that in our next videos, but for now, I'm going to show you how to update the form at an individual level. So individual forms can be managed once you go to the Update Display button at the top of the page. So this is our toggle settings where you can show or hide information. So let's say you want to show the brand name, just toggle this on. If you want to hide the item name, toggle this off. The same process goes to control the pricing, total, and window information appearing on your code. We also have here some display settings where you can manage the names appearing on your form, as well as the client information that you would like to give priority to appear in this form. Everything can be set up here for individual codes. Under View Type settings, you can even select how you would like to view the code. Our setup is currently in column, but you can change it depending on the company's needs. Column view means that the code will show you the total price per window, but in column view. Once you're done with the changes, click this to apply. As we go back from here, and we scroll down, the brand name is now appearing in the code form, which we toggled on earlier. So if you scroll down once more, you can see the binding text, which is appearing at the bottom of the code form. If you want to hide it, simply toggle this off. We also have the option to add the customer signature on this part. This is very handy, especially if you're with the customer personally. Then the next thing we have here is a rear document. All of this should be sent out to the client. Once you're all set, let's now process the code. We have two options here to email customer PDF code or to simply download a PDF. If you check the first option, this other option will appear only if you're connected with our SMS function. For now, let's uncheck Send Code via SMS and Submit Only. You will be directed now to the sender form to send the emailed code. By default, the system will pull up the email address of the client here, although you can add additional emails under CC and BCC. To do this, just type in the email address you wanted to add, then press this button. The same process will apply in BCC. Of course, apart from that, we have here the message. This is the default email content that was already set up from settings. We will further discuss that in our future videos, though you have the ability to select from various template messages from this drop-down menu. Finally, the section will allow you to attach documents needed to be sent out. To attach documents already uploaded in the system, click on Choose from Documents. In this section, you can select the existing documents, or you can drag and drop, or click to upload new ones. Let's say we choose this one. Click the Like button to select, then press Use Selected Files. You can also import documents from your device. Simply click Select from Device and choose the files you want to upload. All attached documents should show up on this section. Once this is all good, you may now send it by clicking the Check button. You will confirm that the email is successfully sent once you receive the prompt at the top right part of the page. So that's everything for now. See our other videos on how to do form designs, message templates, and cover pages for your codes.